Hey, it's Christy with Editor Creations, and today I'm going to show you a real quick trick inside of Canva, and it is called the Find and Replace feature. What it is, you'll go here up to File, and you're going to click on, once I move that over here, click on Find and Replace Text. All right, this is going to make it so easy for you to, especially if you're in a large document, to replace text or change a name or something that you might want to make a change to. So what we're going to do, we're going to click Editor. Actually, let's put the word Canva because that's in here a bunch in this document. And we're going to replace it with software just for the sake of demonstration, okay? And then what you can do is you can click replace or replace all. So I'm just going to hit replace. All right. So as you can see here, I had the word Canva here and it replaced it. So isn't that amazing? All right, we're going to go to the next one then. You click the arrow button to the right and that takes you to the next one. We're going to hit replace. Same thing. You can keep doing it this way. You can do it one by one that way, or you could click the replace all button, and then that is just going to replace them all at one time. So then as you go through this document, anywhere where I had the word Canva, in this case, is now replaced with the word software. So that is how easy it is to get organized in software. It did say Canva. So that's how easy it is to do that. I hope you found that helpful. It's a really useful tool to use. Again, that is, you go to File, go to Find and Replace Text, put your text in, choose Replace or Replace All, and you're good to go. All right. Hope you found that helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.